Team number 2. Nakakabigil kayo! My God! Nagsimula kayo na enerhiya ninyo is 100%. Sa isipan ko, malahagi lang itong mga sumano rin. Tapos, inalis ko yung mga palipin ninyo, tapos binigyan nyo lang ng 2%. May itatakas pa pala yung energy. Kung sino man ang choreographer ninyo, nakakatalino ng choreographer ninyo. Yes, that choreographer of yours is very talented. There was one formation across kayo. I thought the transition would be very dirty, hindi organized. Kasi sabi ko, hindi naman kayo dancers, di ba? Mga zumba-zumba dancers na more hobby. Pero the transition was superb. Ang galing na transition. Nakakahuli na nakakaturo. And there is one thing na talagang nakapukaw ng attention ko, that would be your costume. I fell in love with your costume. It's Zumba appropriate. Ang ganda tingnan, it's shiny, shimmering, sobrang bongga. And lastly, sa grupo ito, parang isang tao lang ang sumasayaw. Kasi sabay-sabay kayong sumasayaw. Lahat ng nakababa, lahat ng nakataas, tawag nila dyan, leveling sa dancing, napakahusay, okay? And lastly, yung natansin yung mga tatlo, all throughout the dance, we were smiling. That is the true essence of dance. Kailangan, pag sumasayaw ka, may saya na nag-ring-ring na nagagalit sa mga puso ninyo. And you have that. Congratulations!